The term BIM conjures up many different ideas to many different people. It's a mode of delivery for design, construction, and operation projects that can apply to any project within our business groups within CH2M Hill. There's no wrong way to do BIM, and there's no one way to do BIM. BIM is completely scalable and thus can meet the needs of any specific project. If asked what is BIM, you might get different answers. BIM is governed by the National BIM Standard, which is an organization outlining what it is and how to apply it within the industry. The National BIM Standard has worked alongside all of these organizations, including Bentley and Autodesk, as well as the American Institute of Architects, to help create a mode of understanding BIM so that when everybody's talking to each other, we're sort of saying the same thing. Acronym BIM, B-I-M, most commonly is Building Information Model. When used as a verb, which we'll talk a little more in a subsequent lesson, it's building an information model. You might also hear it referred to as building information management, but this is the most common. There are other definitions that are behind the scenes that you might hear as well, from building information model to bridge information model, piping information model, transportation information model, civil information model, or facility. All of those, when used with the definition of BIM as a verb, encompass the term building information model. What you see here are a couple BIM definitions that we're trying to use within CH2M Hill. You can see we have the definition spanning from a simpler one, just a virtual representation of the physical functional characteristics of a facility throughout its life cycle. That's the most common BIM definition in it as a one-liner. And you can see at the bottom we have a little more of an advanced definition which kind of describes what BIM actually does, expanding on the life cycle and what the virtual representation actually is. Any one of these three definitions would be acceptable for use within proposals or discussions with other members of your offices or business groups.